Hey, welcome to the Ingredient channel, where I post recipes and share cooking experience every Sunday. In this video, we're making chicken lettuce wraps, a flavorful yet light enough dish, perfect for an appetizer, and is still wonderful to serve alone for a quick lunch or dinner. Here's the list of ingredients for the dish. The recipe can also be found in the description field under the video. The most important step, which decides the success of this dish, is to make crispy peanuts. So because of the peanuts I'm using is a little large, I'm going to use the back of my knife to crack open them. If the peanuts you're using is small enough, then you don't have to do this. And we gotta be patient here. I'm also use one of my hands to make sure they don't scattered everywhere. In the pan, cold oil, medium heat, add all of the peanuts in. Make sure it is medium heat. High heat is gonna burn them. And then we're just gonna keep stirring until you're gonna hear the crackling and popping sound. And turn up the volume just so that you can hear it. This is super important, so just keep frying them until the crackling sound disappeared. After that, you keep stir and fry for about half a minute. Then they're in that perfect moment to be crispy when they get cold. And then spoon them out. Use the leftover oil and add the garlic in, the minced garlic, and a little bit scallion in there as well for taste. And we're just gonna quickly frying them until you can smell the fried garlic smell all over your kitchen. It's very tasty. And then this is the time we're gonna add the grounded chicken. Separate them into small pieces and keep stirring until they change into the white color. This is the time when you stir fry the chicken, grounded chicken, make sure it's on high heat. And you may see some liquid coming out, and don't worry, just keep stirring. They will all evaporate it and go away. Until they turn into solid white color, add dark soy sauce, a teeny little bit, about 1 teaspoon, and then add some light soy sauce for taste. Keep stirring. Add some sugar. I'm using the cane sugar here. Any sugar will do. Keep stirring. And now we're gonna scooch all of these ground chicken to a side and add a little bit more oil, and then add red chili pepper. Keep stirring. Add some oyster sauce in there. And red chili powder. So the version I'm making apparently is a spicy, savory, has that spicy and savory taste. At the end, we're gonna drip some of the starch, the liquid starch inside. Basically, you add 1 tablespoon of starch with some water, about 3 tablespoons of water. And now it is ready. Then this is the time we're going to add the peanuts back because they are already cooled down. It's very crispy. And just quickly stir and mix everything together. Put it into the plate. They're ready to be combined with the lettuce leaf as a taco and just eat them. So tender, crispy, delicious. Enjoy. So good to have you today. Please feel free to check out the other videos on my channel. Subscribe and support. Thank you.